Good morning, students. This is the first experiment, determination of melting point. Now let us see what is the meaning of the melting point. The temperature at which the substance changes from solid state to the liquid state, that temperature has been called as a melting point. Okay, what is the importance of the melting point? The melting point of the pure substance, it is fixed value. Very useful physical constant because a pure substance melts at a definite temperature and has a sharp melting point, while an impure substance has a lower melting point and melts over a wide range. Therefore, the determination of melting point is very convenient method to check the purity of the solid substance. So basically this has been used for checking the purity of the solid substance. Apparatus required: Thales tube, burette stand, thermometer, okay, and then capillary. Okay, it is a small pipe, and compound whose melting point you want to determine. Now this compound you have to fill up in the capillary tube. Okay, so you have to take this compound in the capillary tube and then you have to rub on the rough surface like this. When you are sliding on the rough surface, automatically the compound will go down. Now I have filled the compound in the capillary. You can see here clearly. Okay, near about 1 centimeter you can fill up it. Now you have to tie that capillary with the thermometer. When you are tying with the thermometer, take care that bulb of the thermometer and bottom of the capillary should be in the same level, and then the scale also you need to see properly, so that while heating you should be able to take the reading properly. Next thing, this thread should not be extra, so that it should not be deep into the oil. You have to start the heating. When you are heating, keep the burner moving. Okay, should be in the same level, and then the scale also you need to see properly, so that while heating you should be able to take the reading properly. Next thing, this thread should not be extra, so that it should not be deep into the oil. You have to start the heating. When you are heating, keep the burner moving. Okay, so that uniform heating will happen. Inside this paraffin oil is there, whose boiling point is very high. Okay, you have to keep watch on the substance. As soon as it starts melting, we have to stop the heating. You can see that temperature is rising up. At the beginning it was 30, now it is going up. You can see that substance has been started melting. Okay, it is getting melt. Okay, so till completely gets melt. Okay, so the temperature is near about 80. It is exact 80. Okay, temperature is exact 80. See the compound has been completely melt. Okay, see the temperature, it is exact 80. Okay, so the melting point of given compound is 80. Okay, So first T1, that is 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, second time also you have to repeat the same procedure. I have repeated and I got the 80 degree. Average we have to take 80 plus 80 divided by 2, so it is 80. So the melting point of given substance is 80 degrees Celsius. Now let us check which is that substance. So here it is, you can see that 80. Okay, that is the given substance is naphthalene, and temperature melting point is same, so the compound is in a pure state.